Welcome to my 5-minute yoga a day, yoga exercises for the core, part 2. So we're going to be starting in Tadasana in our mountain pose. Inhaling nice and deeply from the belly, grounding with the feet. And to inhale and stretch the arms up. And then exhale, hinging forward at the hips into our forward fold, our Uttanasana. And very gently taking hold of the elbows and just rocking. Placing the hands at either side of the feet, stepping the left foot back and then the right, coming into our downward dog. Taking a modification of knees bent or pedaling out the feet. Relaxing the neck down as we roll forward into high plank and then back to downward dog. Take the right foot underneath the left foot and raise up the left arm into our modified version of the side plank. Keeping strong in that right arm, strong in the core, igniting the fire. Coming back into downward dog. As we take now the left foot underneath the right leg and open up with the right arm, palm facing forward, fingers spread, creating that energy, drawing in that navel, and again coming into recovery into downward dog. This time we're going to take our right foot just over the left and advance the side plank. And this really helps create strength in the arms, in the abs, in the core, in the obliques. Take a big inhale and repeat on the opposite side. Gaze looking towards fingertips or down to the floor if you find it hard to balance. Very slowly come back onto the knees and into extended child, and just take a moment now to gather your thoughts and your breath. And come into a cross-leg position and then extend the legs out and then bend the knees as we start to do our pelvic floor raises. So inhale and lift up the pelvis, and exhale, release the pelvis down to the floor. So you're inhaling and you're really drawing up that tailbone and then relaxing down to the floor. Try, if you can, to draw the shoulder blades together to help you get that lift a little bit higher and ground down with the feet. So after you've done about 10 of those, we're going to now extend the legs and come up with the arms and then back down again. So inhaling as we go back, exhaling as we come forward, really focusing on tightening that core and the legs and the glutes, keeping the ankles off the ground if possible. Focusing on our breath, using it as a tool to guide us through this exercise. And then come into Upper Asana, knees to chest pose. Take a breath. Cross the legs, push yourselves up with the hands and come into prayer position with your hands to your heart. And just be thankful of your practice today. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.